Friends, after seeing the kinds of plants based on the size and shape, the kinds of plants based on the its lifespan. Now today we move towards the plants classification based on the growth, place of the growth, means according to their habitats. The plants grow. We know that the plants are grow in almost all areas of the earth. So on the based where the plants are growing, means according to their habitats where the plants are live. Is it live in the water, or is it live on the land, or is it live in the desert, or it is live in the hilly region? So on the basis of the place of the growth, the plant is divided into two parts. One is the aquatic plants and second is the terrestrial plant. So these are the two types of plant based on the place of growth. So terrestrial plants means plants grow on the land are called the terrestrial plant. Example: mango, coconut, apple tree, and many more the plants lie on the land. And second one is the aquatic plant. The plant which are grow inside the water are called the aquatic plant. Example: lotus, water hyacinth, and hydrilla are the aquatic some aquatic plants. Discuss about the terrestrial plants, means the plants that grow on the land are called the terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land are called the terrestrial plant. Very easy definition, means land plants, the plants that are grow on the land are called the terrestrial plants. So examples are mango, apple, coconut, and many more trees, grass, rose plant, and each and every plant found in our surrounding. So these are the terrestrial plant. Within this terrestrial plant, some plants are grow in the desert region. We know that desert region means a hot area which is covered with the sand. All the area is covered with the sand, and that region receive a less amount of rainfall, or sometimes the rain is not falling. Therefore in the desert there is a scarcity of the water is there, and the plants grow that in the desert region are also called as the xerophytes, are called the xerophyte, xerophytes. Xerophytes means plants grow in the desert are called the xerophytes. For example, cactus, prickly pear are the xerophytes plants which are grow in the desert region. So these plants have a special kind of adaptation to survive in the desert region. For example, they are leafless plant. The leaf of the plant is converted into the thorns. That's why there is a prevention of the excess loss of the water through the leaves, and due to the absence of the leaves, their stem becomes green and perform the function of the photosynthesis. So in this way the plants is xerophytes plants are grow in the desert region. Then the next one is the aquatic plant. So what is meant by aquatic plant? The plants that grow in the water are called the aquatic plants. Listen carefully, I tell you again the definition of the aquatic plants. The plants that grow in the water are called aquatic plants, or it is also called as the hydrophytes. The plants grow in the water are also considered as the hydrophyte. Hydro means water and phyta means plant. So hydrophytes are the plants which are grow inside the water. Then the example of the hydrophytes are the lotus, water hyacinth, etc. These are the examples of the hydrophytes. The plants like lotus, water hyacinth, they are float on the surface of the water, and for this purpose they show the adaptations. And the some plants, some aquatic plants are totally submerged inside the water, or they grow completely under the water, and that plant is called the submerged plants. Means some plants grow completely inside the water are called the submerged plants. So in this way there are two types of the plant based on the growth, place of the growth. That is the terrestrial one, means plant grow on the land, and second one is the aquatic one, the plants grow inside the water. So in this way the plants are classified according to the place of birth, and the plants are also show the adaptations to live in the different conditions. So thank you for today.